How long should we wait, Mr. Sood?
Just 5 more minutes.
Do you still have a doubt? What are you expecting, Mr. Sood? What do you think? What will happen to me?
Did you see, my lord? Didn't I tell you?
Mr. Sood, you should go out of the court. You don't even understand a joke. I asked you what would happen to me. What do you think? You didn't even understand. I can wait here for as long as you want, Mr. Sood. Moreover, it's been long since we had lunch in the cabin of our honorable judge.
Sir, he can wait for long as he wants to. But as you know, I need to attend an important press conference. My dad, Mr. Krishnakant Reddy, is waiting for me. And he would be very disappointed if I am not allowed to reach there on time despite not making any mistake. Well, I would like to leave all this to the Honorable Court and your wisdom.
I think that Mr. Srikanth Reddy is right.
Your Honor, just 5 more minutes, please.
It's enough, Mr. Sood. I cannot waste the time of the court. I would like to tell the police something before passing my judgment. It is another evidence of their carelessness. They did not even check the lab report properly. Sugar was mentioned as drugs, and on that basis, the court considers Srikanth Reddy innocent and acquits him from all the charges. The court is adjourned.
Siddhant!
I can't talk to you right now.
But where are you going? The media is waiting here.
I don't believe in cheap publicity. The media will talk to Srikanth.
Anushka, we are getting late. Dad must be waiting.
See, this is for emergency services. You can't make us wait like this. Tell me soon, what's the emergency?
That is what even I am unable to understand.
Yes, dear.
Mom, we won the case.
Wow, congratulations. I will thank God for this.
Okay. My friends are asking for a party.
Even I want you to give us party.
Don't wait for me tonight, please. I'll be late. And inform Dad too.
Okay, listen to... He's always in haste. Oh Lord, thank you very much.
Anushka, what happened?
Siddhant has won the case. The court acquitted brother.
Where is Siddhant now?
I don't know where he went through the back gate.
Open this.
What happened to you?
Oh, his condition seems to be very bad. Slowly, slowly.
Doctor, what is this?
We will see that later. For now, going to the press conference with Shrikant is more important. KK is waiting for us. Come on, come. This is an overdose of a drug. The case is serious. Get me the injection.
Hey, did you take drugs? And you asked me to stand there like a fool. Why didn't you tell me about it?
So, in Shrikant Reddy versus the state case, the court acquitted Shrikant. His lawyer Siddhant Sinha challenged the court and said that this allegation was a conspiracy against the Reddy Corporation.
I think you should immediately inform his family.
Whom should I call?
Come what may, my family shouldn't come to know anything.
Driver, let's go.
Brother? What happened in the court? Was it actually sugar?
Like I said, I didn't do anything. I am innocent.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू